Hey guys, so I got my Shopify package, and it's really huge. And yeah, okay. So, oops. I hope you didn't see my address. So I'm gonna cut it. Oops. So okay. Let's cut it. Wait, I can tear this open. Okay, I can't take it. Whoops, sorry. Okay, hold on, Let me just... Okay, I got it. Okay, it's much better. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. I am really bad at opening stuff, so... Okay. Oh my god! It's like right in my face. Okay, so oops. I can't show you that. So there's like 2 pages. So here's my invoice. And here's my... Oh my god! Oh my god, it's just like right on my face. Okay, sorry. Okay. So, let me just remove this and I'm gonna open it. Oh my god! Sorry, I'm really excited. Oh my god. Okay. Woo! Sorry. Woo! Okay. So, firstly, I got this Kirtari thingy, squishy, and this one is new. It just came out, so I guess it's red and it's really squishy and soft. So here's this Rilakkuma tag, and what's this? I have no idea what the heck is this. You can see my phone. Oh, there's... Why is there a Senryu there? Oh, it's Senex. So this is the Kirtari one. The Rilakkuma one. And they come with these diamonds things. Pearls. Then where's the Rilakkuma one? Then this Rilakkuma, which is really cute. Oops, sorry. It's like the hardest one, but it's the cutest, I guess. So I got those, and I got this Kirtari, Rilakkuma honey toast with the Kirtari tag. And this has the huge tag once again. Then I also got this Rilakkuma cupcake. It's super squishy. The back, and here's the bottom. And then I also got this other one. Oh my god, this is so soft. And then I got the chopper and a Valkyrie, and they're all super tiny. They're not that tiny, but yeah. Oh, and this is even softer than I expect it to be. It's like so soft. I love it. I love it too much. Okay, and then I have the Valkyrie and a cherry. These are really cute. And then I got this Valkyrie in an apple. And they all have tags. Then I got a Valkyrie in a melon. And the packages is also cardboard. But yeah, whatever. This one rises quite slowly. So, then I got Chopper t-shirt. Oh my god! And I think it's rare. I don't know, but maybe I'm gonna auction it. So, yeah. Oh my god. It's the awesomest day of my life. Yep. So I'm gonna leave them here. 2 of them. And one of them is gonna be for trade. Then I have this Hello Kitty in a chopper. Oh my god, and this is so soft. It's even softer than the one I got before. But I traded it away. Then I have this Panini. Panini. It's so squishy. And here's the tag. And then, lastly, for my package, I got Hello Kitty in a llama. Oh, this is really squishy. And pink. And this is really squishy. It doesn't rise up that slowly, but it's still really soft. And I got the pink one. And here's the really cute tag. If you guys have the blue one, please tell me because I like the blue one. So it's really cute. So those are all the squishies I got. So PM if you want to trade, but please offer well. So yeah, I will tell you if you need to offer well or you don't have to. So yeah, okay, bye everyone.